friends in Python tutorial for beginner series. In this video tutorial, we will discuss how to use iterators in Python. Okay, now let me open Python IDLE editor. And here, first I am going to show you how to use for loop to iterate over a list. So let's say I have a list, numbers, which contain some random numbers. Now I want to iterate over this list using a for loop. So let's say for I in, then the collection name, in our case it is a list. So list name is numbers. And then to print each and every value of this list. So this for loop iterates over each and every element from the list and then print the value one by one using this print statement. So you maybe tried this before also, right? But have you ever think how it works internally? This loop is going through these elements one by one, and that process of going through elements one by one is called iterating through a loop. So Python internally using the built-in functions called iter function. So if I write dir built-in function and give any collection as an argument here, and when I press enter, you will see a list of inbuilt functions, and in this you can see iter functions here. We can call this special function iter function without using underscore. So let's say I'll take one variable called iter, and then I am going to use a special function called iter without underscore, and I can pass just my collection here as an argument. So this iter function is going to give me the iterator object of this collection. So with the help of this iterator object, we can call all the elements from the list collection. So in order to call elements from the list, let me call the next function. And here I am passing the iter variable, which is the iterator, which we got from this iter method. Okay, and then press enter. So it will print me the first element. Okay. Now if I call it again, it gives me the second element. Similarly, if we call again and again, it's going to iterate over your list and it prints all the element one by one. So here we can see our last value is 7. Now let me call next function again one more time. Now what will happen is I am getting exception saying that stop iteration because there is no next element after this number 7. Okay, so this is how for loop works basically. It has an iterator, and each time when you iterate through, it is internally calling next method on iter object. Okay, so this is all about the basic of iterators. So this is how we can use iterators in Python. I hope you understand the concept, and I hope you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.